What's up YouTube, it's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today we are picking up a new car for the channel. Yeah, I'm really tired as you guys can tell, so I'm making up for it with energy, but I am super excited to pick this car up. It's going to be a sketchy situation and we'll fill you in as we go into it. Alex is behind the camera and all I gotta say is this car's been sitting for 7 years. We got some dealer plates and we're gonna go drive it, and I think all the brakes are seized and we're gonna drive it with using an e-brake. It's a whole messed up situation. Let's get into the vlog. I hope you guys are excited. This is gonna be my new daily and we're letting the tension. Mr. Alex, so what do you think? Don't give away too much, but what do you think about the car we're gonna pick up? Is it a dumb decision that I'm doing? Because I feel like it's a little dumb.
I wouldn't say it's dumb, but it is
risky. I guess that's the word.
I guess risky and a bit of work it needs, but yeah, but you know what? For the price, it is what it is. You can't complain too much. Yeah. It runs, it drives,
so I'm excited. So the plan is the 10 Gen's gonna get parked in the garage. The K26 is going to go to my different garage that it's gonna sit in, and we're gonna store that away sometime soon. And then the car that we're picking up is gonna be the daily now. So the 10 Gen's gonna get a bit of a break for now, and then we're gonna have a new daily for winter, and it's gonna be, it's rough, but we're gonna do the Chris Lopes Alex magic. And we're gonna clean it up and enjoy the car and probably do some sick snow drifts and all that fun stuff. We gotta enjoy the Canadian winter, and I feel like we need to be out there a little more, and this car will allow us to do that. That's a bit of a hint, but is it all-wheel drive or is it rear-wheel drive? Because you can drift it both. Who knows? But I'm super excited for the car. Honestly, like, I just started randomly looking at, I wanted to stop driving the 10th in the winter, and I really started looking at, you know, different cars to pick up for an everyday car, and this is a car that's always been on my mind and I've always enjoyed, so I hope you guys are going to enjoy it too. We're almost at the gentleman's house, and if everything goes through, you should see me in the next clip in the car. Let's see it. Welcome to the inside of my new car. This is probably the sketchiest thing I've ever done in my life. I thought the car had somewhat some brakes, but the pedal goes right to the floor. Alex is on the phone in the 10 Gen ahead of me. We're headed to his house to do the brakes. I thought the brakes were kind of bad, right? You know, it should be just a little bad. No, we have no brakes, so I'm downshifting and using the e-brake to brake. The battery's pretty much completely dead, which we're changing to, so ABS light kicks in and off. If I turn on I can't even turn on the radio, anything. This is probably the biggest turd we've ever bought yet. This is a lemon, but this is my lemon. I'm behind the wheel of a 2004 Subaru WRX with some goods. I'm gonna put the camera down now so we don't die. I will see you at Alex's house, so wish me luck. This is legit. You guys want to see, look, I'm pressing the brakes. Nothing's happening. Nothing. So wish me luck. I hope to see you at Alex's house. If not, it's been fun making YouTube videos. Peace. Somehow, some way, we made it. This was the sketchiest thing I've ever done in my life. There's zero brake pressure, nothing. I thought there was some brakes, but there wasn't. I started driving and this happened. Like, this is so sketch. This is the sketchiest thing I've ever done in my life. The car's driving pretty good aside from the whole brake system. Hopefully it's not the brake lines that completely shot the bed, because it's bad. Like at the very end over there, I went to go hit the e-brake and the whole thing started clunking. It's not good. Not good, guys. So hopefully we got brake pads. We're gonna do the brake pads right now and swap the battery out. And yeah, I'll give you a little more of an in-depth walkthrough through the car also. But welcome to the new build for, it's not technically a new build, but welcome to the new daily. Welcome to the 2004 Subaru. This thing needs a lot of work. As you can see, I was having some battery issues, and look at the terminal, completely shot. Luckily, we got a new battery to put in. We have zero brake fluid. Let me show you, so you guys believe me with the no brakes. Zero brake fluid, so what I'm hoping is that we don't have a brake line leak, which I think we may have, but it was impossible to tell because there was no fluid in it. Aside from that, the car has some nice goodies on it. The car does come with a Koyo rad. We have Hello horns. We have some nice struts and springs. Comes with some mud flaps. What else? What else does it come with, Alex? Whole bunch of extra parts, side skirts and whatnot. Well, the car is in decent condition. It's a bit of a lemon at the same time, but it is, you know, it's gonna get done. An STI exhaust. We're gonna fix her up and enjoy her, but we're gonna go get some brake fluid, hope it helps, and we're gonna replace the battery, and this thing needs a detail. This car's been sitting for 7 years, guys. It's in, I guess, okay condition for 7 years, but it is still pretty rough. We'll do a bigger or a more in-depth walk around. We're gonna do a very, very in-depth detail on this, but goddamn. We got a new Subaru, our old Subaru, back on the channel. Alex sells his, and I get this. Alex, we haven't told him what you got. We'll leave that for a different video. Alex got a sick car, and it's not a blue turd like this. Alex actually got a sick car, and we're gonna do an in-depth review of the car. The first person to guess Alex's car right will get, and it can't be like close friends that know the car, obviously. That doesn't count for Aid Mello. If you guys can guess this car, I'll give you a sticker pack sent out for free, some of the merch. But we are back with the Subaru as a daily, boys and girls. So I'm excited. It was nice driving, even though I had no brakes. But let's get into fixing this. Wow. Ching ching. Hey.
There we go.
There you go.
Here's to the lemon.
Cheers to the blue lemon. All right, so we've gone to Canadian Tire. We picked up some brake fluid. Let's see if this is leaking or not. I hope it's not. I hope it's dry for some apparent reason that we don't know. But yeah. Here is the turd in all its glory. At least there's a bit of a kickback now. We got a bit of pressure right now. Oh yeah, I can see it leaking.
What?
Oh yeah, it's pissing out.
Right?
Yeah, it's pissing out.
Where's it coming from?
It looks like from right in the middle right here. It's a brake line. God damn, well we hope it wasn't, it is. It's a brake line, Alex. And it's not even like a little leak.
There's no point in touching the brake.
Yeah, no point in touching the brakes. God damn. When we first got this, while we were looking at it, we knew the brakes were bad, but we didn't know that it was leaking that much.
There's no point in doing it. Can't even.
This kind of screws the whole idea up. Honestly, I was really hoping it wasn't a brake line, but it is. We checked underneath, so I really don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. This puts me in a shitty situation. I know it's kind of my fault because we didn't really look at that. But goddamn. We're trying to see if we can somehow stop the leak just to get this thing back to my house. I'm about an hour away from here and it's all pretty decent. Like the roads are all one straight roads until we get to, you know, deep into where I live there, and it gets pretty hectic. And honestly, if someone cuts me off, I can't stop. So we're not gonna do the brake pads or anything here. There's no point because we're just gonna end up leaking everything anyways, all the brake fluid. So we're gonna see if we can stop this leak somehow and then drive this back. This is the regrets are starting to settle in. When you buy a used Subaru, if it doesn't come with vape, you didn't really buy yourself a Subaru. This hands down is the sketchiest shit I've ever done, and I don't know, I don't recommend to anyone. I don't know how far we're gonna make it. We stopped the brake line leak, but my brakes are still like absolutely nil. There's nothing. So we're just using the e-brake. Now the e-brake's starting to make some noise. This is the sketchiest shit I think we've ever done in our lives. This is so bad. All right, so as you guys can see, we are in some dirt road. So Alex is actually on the phone on the other line. He's ahead of me, and we're taking our time driving slowly back. Ideally, we should have taken a tow truck. It's kind of dumb, and I'm kind of regretting it. And you can see how lovely my hair's looking right now. But we are going to just take side roads, drive super slow, and make our way back. And yeah, we slowed down the brake leaking. The car's braking decently, but like nothing near safe at all. I highly recommend not doing this. Learn from me. This is literally the sketchiest thing I've ever done in my life. Yo, how big of a disaster is this? This is bad. Now I'm trying to fill gas, and there's probably something in the fuel line. This is bad. This is the last time I ever want to do this ever. This is so bad. I've put $11 out of 30. Come on. Come on. So we definitely needed some gas. And now, wish us luck. We're making our way back down. Holy shit, Alex.
We made it.
I drove with Alex's help guiding me in front almost 100 kilometers with no brakes, just an e-brake. This was the sketchiest thing I've ever done in my life. I will never, ever, ever do this again. Trust me. Hey dog, chill. Hey, just trying to vlog. Yeah, this is the sketchiest thing I've ever seen in my life, guys. Like nuts. Now let me show you a bit of the Subaru. Say hello to the new daily. Obviously needing some love, but this is the new daily as of now. It is a 2004 WRX with almost 300,000 kilometers on it. This is a car I always wanted to blah by, and I think with a little bit of Chris Lopes and Alex love, this is going to go a long way. Small little things with the bumper being like that can get fixed easy. Get the fog light covers, make this look super, super nice. It's probably one of the dirtiest Subarus I've ever seen, one of the dirtiest cars I've ever seen. It's been sitting for a long time, so that is why. But the interior is not in horrible condition, but needs a lot of love. The one seat over here has a bit of, wear and tear. But aside from that, I really like these seats in comparison to the 02 Bug Eyes. And then, if we get into the rear, you can't really see it just because we have a whole bunch of stuff here. He gave us some side skirts, all this type of stuff. But this is it. This is the new daily as of now. The K-Swap Civic is going to go into storage. Tension will go in there. Behind Alex, this is all you can see is that little tail light there. That little thing behind him is Alex's new car, which you can't really see. I'm gonna block it out. That's just a little teaser. That's all you're gonna get. And that's gonna get featured very shortly. That one's gonna be badass, bro. Definitely a lot better than this. We will definitely do a detailing video on this car because this thing is absolutely disgusting. I'm super happy and super hyped for this build. It's not gonna be anything too crazy, but it's just gonna be super clean daily. Adding a little more Subaru into the channel. And then Alex's new car, which is like right there. Just right there, you guys get the little top corner piece. That is it. Just that little piece. That's all you get. That's Alex's new car. That's gonna be on the channel also. All right, guys, as you can see, that is it. This is a new car of the channel. It is a daily. We're just gonna bring it back to life and restore it. We'll do an in-depth walk around, and we will do an in-depth detail on this car. This car's been sitting for 7 years, so I have a feeling we'll have some upcoming issues. I had a great deal on it, and I couldn't pass it up. Big thanks to Alex for helping me get this car from like 100 kilometers away. No exaggerations. Foot goes to the ground. I have zero brakes. Nothing works. It was downshifting and e-brake, and the e-brake was starting to make some noise and seize up a bit. Sketchiest thing I've ever done in my life. Do not do this. Like, do not do this. This was absolutely crazy, but I'm glad I made it, and I probably will never do it again. But this was some great content probably for you guys to see how sketch things like this are. The channel is just growing, and you're gonna see different cars. We'll have Subarus on the channel now with this build. Alex's new car, I can't tell you yet. We're gonna do a full reveal on that. It is badass, and we'll probably get a new car in a couple months also. Feels great to be behind a Subaru again. I did miss my Bug Eye, and I love driving these cars. I think they're awesome cars, And we're just gonna do the Chris Lopes Alex touch to this. It's gonna look awesome, it's gonna look great, and then we're just going to enjoy it and, you know, do some sick winter drifts and all that type of stuff. We'll enjoy winter with this, definitely. Enough blabbing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you guys. Please make sure you leave a like on the video. It helps with the algorithm on YouTube and pumping out the videos so we can just grow bigger and better. Thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe. Do it once, do it right. Peace out.